Can you guys see me? Okay guys, so here's the deal. So this video is basically, we're gonna go shopping for my new home. I'm in my bathroom right now. But I need some things for my new home and I wanted to bring you guys along on this journey, and I'm going to a couple of stores, so I want you guys to kind of see what I'm going to be getting for my home. So you guys already know the drill. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go see the type of things that I'm going to pick, some sort of new home decors that I'm going to add, because you guys know it's the fall and we want to see some fresh, bright, beautiful things for the fall. So let's head over to a few stores.
First step is Five Below. Five Below has amazing cost-effective things for your room or place of business. So I wanted to try and stop there to try and figure out if they had some items that were kind of go with my theme of my home. The theme of my home is very much Tulum vibes, so it's more so rattan, straw, or maybe possibly even some whites and maybe some powerful colors as well. So I did want to hit up Five Below. They do have a lot of beautiful humidifiers. If you have any plants in your home, humidifiers are absolutely amazing for them. It keeps the temperature just right for the room. So I did get some hanging macrames for the room as well. I'm going to be placing these inside the guest room. I did also pick up some 2-tier hanging shelves as well, so I would place them in the bathroom. Now, this is me at Goodwill. I love Goodwill, great finds. I'm going to actually use all of these vases and actually spray paint them white. This is a kind of like a fun DIY to do. Go to your local Goodwill, see what they do have, some interesting shapes as far as vases, and you can spray paint them any color you would like. These vases were so different. Don't mind the sandals, I did not buy them. They actually came in a cart. These vases are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to do a little DIY project with them. It had a beautiful sun on it, so it kind of goes with my theme. Now, I did buy these spray paints off of Home Depot online. It comes with 6 in a box, and this was about $26. I'm going to be using this satin protective enamel to spray down the vases, and this is rust proof as well, so this goes perfect. So I did place them outside. You do want to do this DIY project outside because of the fumes. So you want to be absolutely careful when spraying these outside. You don't want to get any of the spray paint on the floor. So I placed them inside of a box, just a box I was laying around because, as you guys know, I'm moving. So I have so many boxes I do need to get rid of. So I'm going to just spray all these down. As you can see, they are coming out absolutely beautiful. I love this. This came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. This is just the first coat, and then I'll go ahead and apply 3 coats to each of the vases. So this is how the vases look after the second coat. I did let it dry a little bit before actually doing the 3rd coat, and then it was getting dark outside, so I was just like, okay, so I'll just, resume tomorrow. But this is what they look like. This actual I guess you guys can call it a stand. My mother gave it to me. It's very vintage, but I wanted to just kind of give it a different look, an updated look, more of a Tulum look, because Tulum is very much so whites and just rattan and straw. Now I'm at another Goodwill, but this particular Goodwill sells only furniture. My mom recommended this place. I've been going to this place since I was young as well. So I found this beautiful, look at this beautiful shelf. One of a kind. I had to move so many boxes just to get it in, but this was a great find at the thrift store, you guys. And it was only $80. If I would have brought this brand new, it'd been over $300 easily. But I can't wait to stack all of my books here and add all of my flowers and plants. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. You're going home with me.
So I have to sage everything that comes into this home. This is definitely thrifted, so this definitely needs to be saged intensely and immensely. So I'm saging this. I got this from Home Goods. I'm actually gonna put all of my sound bowls on this shelf in a corner that I'm gonna be creating to be like my Zen space. This little basket here is to put some items that I do sell on my website. And this beautiful basket here is going to be what I put in, my laundry hamper. It does have handles on the sides, so I can be able to lift it efficiently. But this is some of the things I got off, these 3 Home Goods. This rare find was thrifted for $80. 80, okay? $80. So I'm just staging it really quickly before I actually put it in its space.
So I did get this beautiful bad boy off of Amazon. I will link it down below. I placed this in front of my home and it's absolutely a beautiful essential piece.
Guys, so that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked this particular video. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please like, comment, and share, and also thumbs up this video if you guys love this video. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of these videos because I had so much fun shopping for all of these cool things for my home and all of these hidden gems that I found today. I've been having such a blast. Hopefully you guys like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.